Hi, everybody. So this week we're going to try something interesting. We're going to try to have a class meeting with everybody in it. Yeah, it's going to be interesting. The way you're going to do this is we're going to use Google Meets, which is kind of like part of Google Hangouts. So when you look through here, we're in the folder for this week, the Monday, April 13th through Friday, April 17th, okay? Once you're in there, you'll see the different folders for the week. You want to click on the one down here that says Google Meeting, okay? You're going to click on that, and then you'll see here, it says, hello, this week we'll try and have a class meeting on Google Meets, Google Hangouts. When? This is going to be Wednesday the 15th. What time? It's going to be at 1 o'clock. Here is the info below to get there. To join the video meeting, click this link. Boom. See how this kind of lights up there? If you click that, that'll bring you to a Google Hangout. It's important. Please remember to be appropriate during this meeting. Come with math questions that you may need help with. This is a good time to get help with any of your assignments. We're going to do maybe some examples of your multiplication. We might do a little bit of fraction work because that's what you're working on in your Math 180 app. It's also a good time just to check in and see how everybody's doing. I want you to try and make this meeting if you can. If you cannot make it, I want you to let me know. Okay? It's important that we all try and do it. This is the first time we've tried to do one of these. It might go really well. It might be just a giant train wreck, but we're going to try it anyways. So we're all going to be polite, we're going to be appropriate, and we're going to be patient, okay? All right, we will see you all on Wednesday the 15th. So that's this Wednesday at 1 o'clock. See you then.